It's tool bag tour time. This is my Veto Tech OTMC. This is what I keep all my tools as an apprentice in. As I get further in the trade, I'm going to get a larger tool bag, and this will become my solder bag. Got a Lufkin tape measure, baby channel locks, 7/16. Actually, this is 3/8. No, 7/16 1/2 inch open end wrench Craftsman from the 90s. The piece de resistance, my Knipex 12-inch Knipex pliers wrench. Got some basic Harbor Freight long needle nose pliers. I actually use the crap out of these for fishing stuff out of places they don't need to be. Milwaukee PEX cutters, because I hate having to use somebody else's PEX cutters to cut PEX. Just extra spare razor knife. I didn't have anything for that pocket. Screwdrivers. These are Veto screwdrivers made in Germany. Got an old 1990s made in the USA 10-inch Craftsman wrench, soon to be replaced with a 10-inch Knipex wrench. A little, can't really do this one-handed. Basically, it's a folding sawzall for sawzall blade holding hacksaw in case I need to cut something. Insulation, toilet bolts, pipe. I'm like, oh, the blade's not fine enough for toilet bolts. Yeah, I have one. Not on me. Knipex water pump pliers. Hollow shaft Wera nut drivers. I plan on getting some Wera chisel drivers to replace the Veto screwdrivers. Rigid no hub wrench. It's a torque wrench, so when you're putting on no hubs on pipe, it'll go to 60 pounds torque. Probably the shittiest tool I have in this bag, just a pair of dikes I found. Level, for checking if things are level or have proper fall, or if things are plumb. Got two baby Vaughn pry bars. I use the absolute crap out of those. This is awesome because it's actually a scraper too. Chisel. Let's see, who makes this? It's Ford. Yeah, it's a Ford knife. I got this because Wrangler Store recommended it. And extra knife, and it's cool. Old Craftsman. I have never used these on a job, but I have them. Something to fill a pocket. 14-inch rigid pipe wrench. It's had the absolute snot beat out of it and used. Not by me. Not by me, consequentially. Quintly. Milwaukee close quarters cutters with the reaming pin, because even though I'm at an apprentice at a company who doesn't really care about that, I like to ream my copper. Extra sawzall blade for that thing. Estwing hammer. Use the absolute crap out of this. I think I found this. Little wrench for my grinder blade. That doesn't need to be in there, but it is. Cool waterproof tote, shark bite, extra pair of copper cutters. I've yet to find someone who wants them. Pipe strapping. Don't really use them. extra utility knife blades, Linux carbide, little baby Lufkin tape measure. Helpful. More shark bites. A bit. T20, T30. Never gonna use that. So yeah, that's the tool bag.